Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to spend hours scrolling through endless reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with two contenders, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner on my left, and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop on my right. Let's see which one will steamroll the competition, and which one will get tossed into the dustbin of bad purchases. Spoiler alert, no one gets hurt, but your wallet might. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Newbealer is sitting pretty at $104, while the BISSELL is strutting its stuff at $159. Reviewers appreciate that Newbealer provides a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional mops, making it great for budget-conscious shoppers. On the other hand, while BISSELL is considered a bit pricier, users find its performance worth the... It's like comparing a budget-friendly movie to a blockbuster sequel nobody asked for. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of features. Newbealer claims to be an all-in-one wonder. With its detachable handheld cleaner, it's versatile and easy to use, perfect for cleaning various surfaces. Reviewers love its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to handle. Meanwhile, the BISSELL flaunts its LED display with real-time indicators, which users find incredibly helpful. They appreciate its powerful cleaning capabilities on stubborn grime, especially on older floors. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops versus the latest tech gadget. Let's move on to steam power. Newbealer offers 3 adjustable steam modes and heats up in just 20 seconds, impressing users with its quick performance. Reviewers mention it heats up quickly and has powerful steam pressure for a deep clean. On the flip side, the BISSELL provides 2 steam levels and a no-steam mode. Users have noted that it leaves floors spotless and dry within minutes. It's like a gentle hug versus a full-on bear hug. Choose wisely, folks. When it comes to usability, the Newbealer is lightweight and easy to handle. At just 3.96 pounds, it's practically a feather. Reviewers love how easy it is to clean their homes with it. Meanwhile, the BISSELL has a swivel head, making it ideal for maneuvering around furniture. Users appreciate its ease of use, especially those with back issues who find traditional mopping cumbersome. It's a dance-off between lightness and maneuverability. Now, let's get a little serious. The BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, and many reviewers appreciate that their purchase helps save homeless pets. In contrast, Newbealer focuses on making your floors shine, but lacks a community-giving aspect. While both products excel in cleaning, BISSELL's commitment to giving back resonates positively with many customers. It's a choice between cleaning your floors and cleaning up the community. Overall, both products have garnered positive feedback. Reviewers of the Newbealer Steam Mop appreciate its lightweight design, versatility, and effective cleaning capabilities, despite some minor concerns about heat and cleaning efficiency on certain surfaces. Meanwhile, users of the BISSELL SpinWave highlight its performance on stubborn grime, ease of use, and commitment to supporting animal welfare, although some have faced minor assembly issues. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you're on a budget and want versatility, the Newbealer is your best bet. But if you fancy a little tech flair and want to save some furry friends, the BISSELL might just be your mop soulmate. Remember, whether you choose to steam it up with Newbealer or spin your way to cleanliness with BISSELL, the most important thing is, don't forget to clean the corners. Because dust bunnies can turn into dust elephants if left unchecked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.